Ayayayayayaya, ini nyumba yangu inakaa hivi. Ini nyumba yangu inakaa kama kichaka cha enda wazimu. Wow, this house looks bad. The fuck? Wameniweza walai. Aki. Hello guys, my name is Beryl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Of course, this is the Melanin Power. Welcome to my team, guys. And today we have fresh content. We're going to do a makeover of my house. So I've been away for a while, and when I came back to my house, oh my god, I was just surprised. I went on a trip, but when I came back to my house, it was a total mess. That's what happens when you leave friends at your house. They'll do whatever it is they want with the house. Anyway, let me cut the long story short. I understand them, they're my friends, I know them, I know how clumsy they are. So we're going to do a makeover of the house. Yeah, I'm going to show you the video before and the video after. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so very much. Thank you for clicking in again. I love you so much. Thank you. Flying kisses. And so I hope you like this video. I hope you like how I make the makeover. It's just a simple makeover, but yeah, we'll do the best we can. Thank you. Enjoy this video. Please make sure you watch till the end so that you can get the creative ideas of how you can decorate your house, something like that, I guess. Yeah. Anyway, let's start. I was yours, you were mine, but it's time to say goodbye. Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand with you. So this is the video of how the house looks before the makeover. I'm starting from the kitchen. Yeah, just see the shoes all over. Food is kept where it's not supposed to be kept. It's so disgusting, you know. You just come home to your house and you see your house looking like this. You just feel, what? I wish I even hadn't let them inside my house. But yeah, I have to deal with this. So okay, we have to enjoy doing this. This is what we do to keep our friends close. Just see, ona hizo chapati wamekaeka hapo, chapati zime. Imagine they told me tumekuachia food iko kwa nyumba, wewe fika kwanza ushibe alafu tutaongea. Then getting inside napata chapati zimewekwa tu hapo hivi, alafu kuna maragwe ndio imewekwa hapo kando. You've seen it, right? Clothes are on the table, clothes are down. I even wonder what they were doing with my bags. Were these guys fighting in my house or what? Bags are everywhere. Mask iko chini, like, oh, my tripod stand. Oh yeah, they used to take some videos inside. It's where it's not supposed to be. So I'm like, guys, really, is this how you repay me? But hey, nikubaya. Anyway, so this is the video of how the house looks. Just look. How are they even sleeping in this bed while it's like looking like that? Aish. Just look, guys. It's so pathetic. Yani kila kitu iko, at least my wardrobe iko, manguo zangu ziko tu venye niliziacha, because they know me with my clothes spendi zishuke kabisa. I don't like my clothes being touched. Asa they messed up around with the every part of the house, like what? But anyway, so this is the video of the house before the makeover, and we're going to start doing the makeover. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends and family. Yeah. So first things first, I'm going to put on a good clothes to do the cleaning. Yeah. I start with putting the dirty clothes kwa rack yangu chafu. Then I make the bed first, because this bed sheet is still clean, it's not dirty. I'll change it when I want to wash my clothes. Yeah, I put all the dirty clothes in the clothes bin. Yeah, I want to arrange everything in order, make sure everything is well before I start mopping and sweeping, doing everything, putting all my handbags where they're supposed to be. I don't want to talk much. Please just watch the video till the end. We can call it a makeover video, and we can also call it cleaning. We're doing cleaning here. Thorough cleaning, right? Yeah. So this is the food they said they left me, chapati and beans. I thought I was coming to chips and kuku, something like that, but what, to my surprise, chapati and beans zenye walikuwa wameshiba wakaona tu waache hapo. Anyway, so I'm now cleaning the shoes, kutotoa mchanga zote zenye it's there. Then I'll go to the kitchen area, wash the dishes. Then after all that, I'll mop, and I'll first sweep, then I'll mop. I won't talk until the end of the video. Please make sure you watch, subscribe, and like. Tell me, please guys, give me advice to what I should be doing to such kind of friends. Am I being easy on them? Are they taking me for granted? Should I just be quiet as they do this, or what? Guys, give me the advice down in the comment section. Tell me what I should do. Should I change my character and nionyeshe yenyewe say amfai kunibeba ufala bana? Kwa nini kesho? Mimi na feel tu wananibeba ufala cause anyway, Santa do what? Nafanya. Yeah, so I'm now done cleaning. I'm now going to put all the decorations that they're supposed to be. By the way, if you want to know how I made this, please go to my channel, watch my videos. You'll see how I made that wall hanging. It's so beautiful and it's so simple to make, by the way. And if you'd want me to make you one, please tell me. Now this is the transformation. I love how the house looks now. Looks, hata unaona say there's light, there's energy in the house. It just looks wow. So this is the video of the kitchen. I'm starting from the kitchen. This is how the kitchen looks. And before the video, the kitchen looked so bad. Yeah, that's how the kitchen was looking before. And now just look, it's looking nice. Everywhere is neat. Vyombo is neatly arranged. The spaces are where they're supposed to be. There's no dirty utensils around. Everything is good. Everything is just well. I had to do everything by myself and I'm glad I finished. I now feel well. I now feel I can relax in this house, because when I came I couldn't even sit at any point. I couldn't relax because I felt uneasy. I felt like I had to do it then. I had to clean it that exact moment. Now this is the sitting area. Just look how it is. The sitting and the bedroom area where my bed is. There's life now. There's life. I feel like I can sleep. I can jump all over. I can take some pictures. Before I couldn't do that. Before it was looking so bad. I'm hoping you've seen how the video was before. Please compare the video before and the video after. You'll see the difference. And tell me what you think about this video on the comment section. Was it motivating or was it discouraging? Just tell me anything. Even if it's a high barrel, I'll appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This far you've come. You watching this video without subscribing, man, that's not good. You've got too far. You've got to the end of this video. Just subscribe. Give me the like, please. Like on my channel. Just give me the like button and say something. Comments are so beautiful. Comments are so encouraging. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to watch more. I've told you, if you want to know how I made that DIY, go to my channel, go on my videos. It's my latest video. I posted it before this one. You'd see it and it's very easy to make. That's it.